If you find condensation drops in your fridge, this could be because the door is opened and closed very frequently, resulting in humidity entering inside. As a result, you may observe water in the door shelves and interior surfaces. This is an expected behavior of the appliance. Under hot and humid conditions, this may occur more frequently. You should wipe the water off with a clean and dry piece of cloth. Also, to prevent and minimize condensation, don't leave the door open for too long or too frequently, and check that it is closed properly after you use your refrigerator. Siemens, the future moving in.